2020 జేఈఈ మెయిన్ ఫలితాలలో ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ విద్యార్థుల ప్రభంజనం. ఆల్ ఇండియా అన్ని కేటగిరీస్లు 18, 35, 251, 253, 582, 606, 778, 780, 812, 821, 1031, 1039, 1303, 1575, 1654, 1753, 1754, 1978 ర్యాంకులే కాక మరెన్నో ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
So next some more applications based on this projectile motion. Some more applications, let us say, what is the maximum height formula? H maximum is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g, and range formula is r is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. R is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. So here just I am doing h by r, maximum height by range, u square sin square theta by 2g divided by u square sin 2 theta by g. Just I am doing h by r. What happens? U square sin square theta by 2g into g by u square sin 2 theta. G gets cancelled, u square cancel. Here sin square theta divided by 2 into sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin square theta divided by 4 sin theta cos theta. 1 sin theta gets cancelled. Then from this we can write h by r is equals to sin theta by cos theta. What we can write it as tan theta by 4. H by r is equals to tan theta by 4. A relation between maximum height and horizontal range is, so maximum height can be written as r tan theta by r by 4 times tan theta, r tan theta by 4 times range. Maximum height reached by the body is tan theta by 4 times the range. So this is the situation. So this is maximum height formula, range formula. Just what I am doing, just we are dividing these two, h by r. So h by r equals to tan theta by 4, h equals to r tan theta by 4 now. Here if theta is equals to 45 degrees, that means if angle of projection is equals to 45 degrees, then maximum height can be written as r maximum by 4 into tan 45. If theta equals to 45, range is also maximum. If angle of projection is 45 degrees, we already discussed, because range formula u square sin 2 theta by g, u square by g into sin 2 into 45. So u square by g into sin 90. So sin theta, in case of sin theta, when the sin theta value is maximum, when the sin theta value is maximum, if theta equals to 90, sin 90 is 1. That is the maximum value. That value never be greater than that one. Sin theta value never be greater than 1. So that's why here it is sin 90. That's why that is u square by g. When this situation is possible, if angle of projection is equal to 45 degrees, angle of projection is equals to 45 degrees, then range is maximum possible range exists. Maximum possible range exists. So then h is equals to r maximum by 4 tan 45. So therefore h can be written as r maximum by 4. So that means if angle of projection is equal to 45 degrees, if angle of projection is equals to 45 degrees, then maximum height reached by the body is equal to, maximum height reached by the body is equals to 1/4 of the maximum range. So if theta equals to maximum height reached by the body is inwards, what we can write? Maximum height reached by the body, maximum height reached by the body is equal to, maximum height reached by the body is equals to 1/4 of maximum range. When this situation happens, if theta equals to 45, if angle of projection is equals to 45 degrees, then maximum height reached by the body is equal to 1/4 of the maximum range. This is one condition. Next, next here, see here, if h by r is equals to tan theta by 4, h by r equals to tan theta by 4. Here, if h is equals to r, actually not possible. If possible, if maximum height reached by the body is equal to horizontal range, then what happens? If maximum height reached by the body is equals to horizontal range, then tan theta by 4 is equals to h by h, or we can write r by r, whatever it is, because h equals to r. So, tan theta is equals to 4, tan theta equals to 4. So, tan theta value 4, then what we can write it as, tan theta can be written as opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta value 4 in the sense opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 1. So, hypotenuse under root 4 square plus 1 square. So, that is equals to square root of 16 plus 1. So, root 17, let us say it is theta. Hypotenuse is root 17, 4, 1, root 17. If h is equals to r, that means if maximum height reached by the body is equal to, maximum height reached by the body is equal to horizontal range, then what happens? Tan theta value equals to 4, then it is. Then what is the value of maximum height in this situation? What is the value of maximum height? So, maximum height formula is, what is the maximum height formula? U square sin square theta by 2g. But from this equation, from this diagram, sin theta value can be written as 4 by root 17. Sin theta can be written as opposite side by hypotenuse, 4 by root 17. So, therefore, h maximum can be written as u square by 2g into sin square 40, sin square theta. Sin square theta value is 4 by root 17 whole square. So, that is u square by 2g into 16 by 17. So, that is 8 u square by 17g. 8 u square by 17g. So, that means if maximum height reached by the body is equals to horizontal range, then what is the value of maximum height? 8 u square by 17g. In the same way, what is the value of range? Both are same. The horizontal range also becomes 8 u square by 17g. 8 u square by 17g. That is the situation. If h by r equals to tan theta by 4, then h equals to r. That is the condition. That is the situation now. So, now So, next we calculated horizontal distance x is equals to u cos theta into t and y is equals to u sin theta into t minus half gt square, like that. We calculated these two equations, x equals to u cos theta and t and y equals to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. If the values are given like this, That means, for example, if x, the horizontal distance travelled by the, it is given as 4t and vertical distance is given as 3t minus 5t square. If these are given like that, these are given like that. See here, horizontal distance equation is, we calculated already, u cos theta into t, vertical distance is u sin theta into t minus half gt square. If the equations are given like that, x equals to 4t and y equals to 3t minus 5t square, 3t minus 5t square. Find the velocity of projection. What I give this? Find velocity of projection. With what velocity the body is projected? How can you calculate this? This is one model. These are the two equations, horizontal distance and y vertical distance, but the given question will be like that, x equals to 4t, y equals to 3t minus 5t square, like this. So if we compare these two equations, in place of u cos theta, what is the value here? We have x equals to u cos theta into t, but here we have x equals to 4t. In place of u cos theta, what we have the value here? 4. And if you compare these two equations, u sin theta into t minus half gt square, minus half gt square, g value 10, 10 by 2 5. Here if 5 is mentioned, then only we can take this is u sin theta. It's very important. U sin theta into t minus half gt square, u sin theta into t minus half gt square. If g value is 10, 10 by 2 is 5, 10 by 2 is 5, so 5t square. That is only. So then what is this value here? What is the condition? U sin theta. In place of u sin theta, what we have? U sin theta is equals to 3. Velocity of projection. Just I am writing u square cos square theta plus u square sin square theta. So that is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. And u square common in these two. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. How much it is? 1. So that's why u square is equals to 25 and u is equals to 5. So the velocity of projection is 5 meters per second. This is the way to calculate the velocity of projection. Simply just comparing these equations, comparing these two relations, then we can get this value. Next, by giving like this, just find maximum height. If the equations are like this, find maximum height. What is the maximum height formula? U square sin square theta by 2g. But if we compare these two, what is the u sin theta value? 3. U square sin square theta can be written as u sin theta whole square by 2g. So what is the value of u sin theta? 3. So 3 whole square by 2 into g is 10. 9 by 2 into 10. So that is 0.9 by 2. So that is 0.45. So simple. No need to calculate the velocity of projection. Directly we can write this one. Maximum height formula u square sin square theta by 2g. If we compare this, we know the value of u sin theta. So directly we can calculate this. And one more thing. Find range. Find range. What is the value of range formula? U square sin 2 theta by g. To calculate the range formula, we have to calculate u and we have to calculate theta. We have to know the two values, but we don't know anything. We don't know u and we don't know theta. Then how can you calculate range? By using this. See here, u square into sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Simple technique. So the 2 into this can be written as u sin theta into u cos theta divided by g. For our convenience, we can write like this: u square sin 2 theta by g. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. So u square 2 into u sin theta into u cos theta. U into u square. We can write like this. This is 2 by g into u sin theta value 3 What is u cos theta value? 4. So 2 into 12 by g is 10. So 2 into 1.2, 2.4. That is a range. So if the equations are given like this, if the equations are horizontal distance and vertical distances are measured like this, then we can calculate all the things. Velocity of projection we can calculate, and maximum height we can calculate, range also we can calculate, and time of flight. What is the time of flight formula? 2u sin theta by g. So 2 by g into, what is the value of u sin theta? 3. 6 by g is 10 or 0.6 seconds. We can calculate all the values, time of flight, maximum height, horizontal range, everything we can calculate like this. So if the equations are given like this, so that is important here. So next, we know the relation y is equals to ax minus bx square. So we derived this relation y equals to ax minus bx square. What is the value of a? A is tan theta and b is g by 2u square cos square theta. Once check the previous class, we derived this relation. A equals to tan theta and b equals to g by 2u square cos square theta. So here just I am doing a by b. What is the relation we can get? A by b. So tan theta by g by 2u square cos square theta. So tan theta into 2u square cos square theta by g. So this fraction reversed. So now tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta into 2u square cos square theta by g. One cos theta gets cancelled. So remaining u square 2 sin theta cos theta divided by g. So that means a by b is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. Sin 2 theta value is 2 sin theta cos theta. So from this we can write a by b is equals to range. So if the equation is given like this, in the question if the given like this, y equals to ax minus bx square, how can you calculate range? Simply a by b gives the range, a divided by b gives range here. So this is range. Next, next part, in the same situation, just I am doing a square by 4b, just I am considering a square by 4b. A square means tan square theta divided by 4b is g by 2u square cos square theta. So the given equation will be like this, ax minus bx square, then a by b gives what? Range. Just next I am doing a square by 4b, what this gives? Tan square theta sin square theta by cos square theta, do this fraction reversed, 2u square cos square theta by 4g. So cos square theta gets cancelled, 2 2s. So remaining it is u square sin square theta by 2g. So therefore a square by 4b gives h max. If the equation will be like this, we can calculate the range and maximum height. How can you calculate range? A by b. How can you calculate maximum height? A square by 4b. So let us say simple things, these sets. if the equation will be given like this, next here range can be written as, what is the how can you calculate range? A by B, not maximum range, only range, not the maximum range. Next, maximum height, how can you calculate maximum height from this maximum height formula? So that is A square by 4B. So let us say here, I am doing one question, y is equals to 6x minus 4x square. Y is equals to 6x minus 4x square, let us say. What is the maximum? Find range and maximum height. Find range and maximum height. So range formula is simply A by B. What is A by B? 6 by 4. So that is 1.5. Range is 1.5 meters. So maximum height, H maximum formula, A square by 4B. 6 whole square by 4 into B value is 4. So 36 by 16. 9 by 4, 2.25. So range is equals to 1.5 and maximum height is equals to 2.25. So R is 6 square, A square by 4B, 6 square by 4 into 4 like this. So based on this we can calculate like this. So based on this, again, if the given question is to find velocity of projection, find velocity of projection, how can you calculate velocity of projection? Range formula is, what is the range formula? U square sin 2 theta by g. U square sin 2 theta by g. To calculate this, we do not know the value of theta. So next, here and given that here we know that tan theta is equals to 6. So what is the value of A? Tan theta. So tan theta value is 6 and the sin theta, if the tan theta value is 6, this is theta 6 1 root 37, Pythagoras theorem, root of 6 square plus 1 square. So from this, better than to find the velocity of projection means better to take h equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. What is the h value we got? 2.25 is equals to u square sin theta value 6 by root 37 whole square. So from this tan theta value, opposite side by hypotenuse, by 2g is 20. So 2.25 into 20 is equals to u square into 36 by 37. So u square is equals to 2.25 into 2, 4.5 into 10, 45. 45 into 37 divided by 36. So u is equals to root of 45 into 37 by 36. If the equation will be given like that, we can calculate the range and we can calculate the maximum height and also we can calculate the velocity of projection. Anything we can calculate. Next. So in this situation, body projected like this, velocity of projection is u at an angle theta, and this is the situation. Find average velocity during time of ascent, average velocity during time of ascent, average velocity during time of ascent. So, average velocity means V average can be written as total distance total displacement by total time. Total displacement divided by total time. So, V average can be written as on reaching the maximum height. So, this is the situation. So, this is H and this total is R. So, V average we are calculating and it is R by 2, let us say. See, the total distance is R, this is R by 2 and this is R by 2. Here I am calculating the average velocity during time of ascent. This is total displacement by total time, total displacement by total time. So, now this is the situation. Total displacement, this can be written. What is the angle between these two? 90. So, total displacement is S, total time is nothing but time of ascent. S can be written as square root of H square plus R by 2 whole square by time of ascent. So, this angle is 90. By using Pythagoras theorem, how can I calculate this? R by 2 whole square plus H square by time of ascent. So, from this we know H is equals to R tan theta by 4. We know H equals to R tan theta, substitute this. Then V average is equals to square root of H is R tan theta by 4 whole square plus R by 2 whole square divided by time of ascent. We know the H value is R tan theta by 4. That means R square tan square theta by 16 plus R square by 4 under root divided by time of ascent. Next, R square by 6, R square by 4 common, R square by 4 common, tan square theta by 4 plus 1 divided by TA. Sorry, this total under root. R square by 4, that comes out R by 2 into square root of tan square theta by 4 plus 1 divided by time of ascent. R is u square sin 2 theta by g, that is 2g, into time of ascent can be written as u sin theta by g, g gets cancelled. Next, under root of tan square theta by 4 plus 1. 1 u cancels, u into sin, the 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta cancel, under root tan square theta by 4 plus 1. Now remaining is, so V average is equals to u cos theta into under root tan square theta plus 4 divided by 4, 4 is LCM, tan square theta, that means 4 comes out, u cos theta by 2 into under root tan square theta plus 1 plus 3, 4 can be written as 1 plus 3, that is u cos theta by 2 into under root 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta plus 3. So, this is P average, average velocity during time of ascent, u cos theta by 2 into square root of 3 plus secant square theta, 3 plus secant square theta, or cos theta comes into the root V average can be written as this is u by 2 into cos theta comes under the root. This is 3 cos square theta plus secant square theta into cos square theta. Cos theta comes under the root, it becomes cos square theta. So there is V average can be written as u by 2 into 3 cos square theta plus 1. This is because secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So this multiplication is 1. So that is the average velocity during time of ascent. Average velocity during time of ascent. See here, average velocity can be written as total displacement by total time. On reaching the maximum height, let us say vertical distance is h and let us say horizontal distance is considered as r by 2. Vertical distance is h and horizontal distance is r by 2. So resultant of this total displacement, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write square root of h square plus r by 2 whole square. But we know h equals to r tan theta by 4. Just I am substituting this. R square tan square theta by 16 plus r square by 4. R square by 4 common. Tan square by 4 plus 1 divided by Ta. This becomes r by 2. R square by 4 comes out of the root. This is r by 2. Tan square theta by 4 plus 1 divided by Ta. Ta in the sense time of ascent. Average velocity during time of ascent only. So that is like this. U square sin 2 theta by, here already 2, that is why 2g. Time of ascent formula, u sin theta by g. G gets cancelled, u cancel. U into sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. And remaining denominator is 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta gets cancelled. Remaining is u cos theta into tan square theta by 4. LCM is 4 here. Tan square theta plus 4 divided by 4. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. This root of 4 comes out, becomes 2. So that is. So average velocity during time of ascent is equals to u by 2 into under root 3 cos square theta plus 1. 3 cos square theta plus 1. Depending on the value of theta, average velocity changes. So this is average velocity during time of ascent.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.